I was just sent this electric indoor bug zapper. It's a 20-watt bug zapper, and I am like a mosquito magnet, so I'm really excited to see this thing. So on the bottom here, they actually have a little clip on here because this has a removable tray that after you get some bugs, you can take the little tray out and clean it up. So one of the things I noticed right away is that it has this little grid right here. So it keeps away little fingers that possibly could get in there and try to touch something, but it's big enough that bugs can get in to help against bugs, mosquitoes, flies, all sorts of good things. So we're gonna plug this in and we will check it out. It has the little light bulbs. It has 2 extra light bulbs right here. All right, I wanted to bring you in a little bit closer here so you can look at it. So on the sides, we actually have these little hooks that if you wanted to hook it up, they provide you with these chains that you can then hook the chain up and it can then hang from the ceiling. So you've got these little parts, we just hook them on. So then that would go across, and then it has one on the other side as well. And then that also hooks on. So if you wanted to hang it on a patio or anything like that, you can also hang it, or you can just leave it on a flat surface. So this is all just a metal grid in here. And then you've got your 2 light bulbs, and they do come with the 2 replacement light bulbs, which is a really nice added bonus. Underneath here is your removable tray. So whenever it does zap those bugs, they will fall down in here to your tray, and you can remove that out, throw out your bugs, clean it up, and then you just simply stick it back in there. And I've got this plugged in. So off to the side over here is your power button. You just turn that on and it instantly goes to work and gets ready to start zapping those bugs. All right, I've got it plugged in out of my deck. Even though it is a screened in deck, we've got holes all over the screened in area. So this should help zap all of those little bugs away and help us have a more bug-free zone out on our deck.